What's going on, YouTube? I went to the bank yesterday, and this is what they had to tell me. Went in there to get deposit bags, unused, for work, right? And been doing this since 2014. Same few banks. And she says, okay, 10 cents a bag. I said, and she said, cash only. I said, what do you mean 10 cents a bag? I go, these are deposits so that we can deposit cash from our business into our account with you. She says, well, we charge 10 cents a bag. I said, since when? And she said, she goes, oh, we've always done that. I said, yeah, but you haven't. I said, I've been coming to this bank for 9 years, and this is the first I've heard of it. She says, oh, well, that's just what we're doing, and it's, 10 cents a bag, cash only. And it got me thinking about something that happened the previous week. I went to use the ATM, and I have a credit union, and I went to pull out $280, $280, and couldn't be done for a purchase. Could not be done. It said that exceeded my ATM withdrawal limit. I have never seen that happen for $280. So I ended up making the purchase with the card. Same card, by the way. No problems there. Because there was no physical cash, see? And then this happens. Here, let me make sure you guys can see this okay. Right here. I scribbled out my initials, and I wanted to get reimbursed by the company because I paid cash out of my pocket. You see that right there? The lighting's not too good. $20 for deposit bags. And it got me thinking. I called up Just Stack It, and we had a conversation, and he pretty much said the same thing I did, or I was thinking, which is, are they this strapped for capital that they're now charging you to put capital into your account with them? Is that what's going on? We all know that. Well, we all know that CBDCs are coming, and we all know that banks have been failing left and right. It kind of makes you wonder if things are really that bad. Did they really invest all their capital? Because another thing Just Stack It touched on, the 0% reserve banking or the fractional banking limit. They did that during the thing in 2019, right? Or 20, one of the two. They lowered the fractional reserve limit to 0. And it's not even that easy to find information on it, but it's a thing. So now the banks can take 100% of what people deposit and do their thing with it, bank derivatives, write loans, mortgages, car loans, buy treasuries, gamble in the stock market. So I'm wondering if they're just that strapped on cash. Just Stack It did a really good video about that. It was a few videos back. You should go check it out. Also, he said he went to the bank and he couldn't get. He's a coin hunting fanatic. He loves going through rolled coin. He went to the bank and they told him yeah, we can't do that anymore. We just don't have the coins to do it. And that was that. He's like, what? I've been coming here for years. So just food for thought. What if the banking system collapses tomorrow? And I'm not one of those channels. I don't think it's going to happen. I think they're going to kick the can down the road. I think they're going to push CBDC, and I think they're going to bail out the banks. And I think they're going to do it on our backs. They're going to tell us, oh, it's the insurance corporations doing it. It's not going to hurt the taxpayer. It always hurts the taxpayer, bottom line. And it always hurts the consumer because, let's say that lie is true, that it's fully insured and it doesn't cost us a dime. Well, that makes insurance rates go up. It always costs us. So I think that's what they're going to do. I don't think the banking system is going to collapse tomorrow, but what if your bank does have issues and you lose your cash for a while until you're reimbursed? Do you have a plan outside that system? Do you have assets and cash outside that system? I just think these might be very telling signs. These three things: the debit card withdrawal limit I had, which is just ridiculous. The you got to pay for bank bag thing, which is I've never had that happen. And the whole Just Stack It issue where he's been buying rolled coin from these people for quite a while, and they're like, yeah, we can't do it anymore, sorry. Are these telling signs that more banks are in trouble than we realize? I think it could be. I think they're starved for capital because they made some bad choices, and I think we're going to pay in the end. Like, subscribe, comment. Let's interact. Constitutional Stacker, keep stacking. By the way, not a financial advisor. Do your own research. Forgot to tell you guys that. I think by now you know that. And that's all I got other than keep stacking.